Hello, my name is John Roble. I'm the Viessmann Academy Manager for the United States.
And I'm Jason Theriault, Field Technician for Viessmann US.
Today, Jay and I are going to be showing you how to service and maintain the Vitodens B2HA series of low water mass condensing wall hung boiler. Okay, so to get started, we're going to remove the cover from the boiler. To do that, we'll remove the bottom skirt. And then using our Vitodens kit with a Phillips bit and the screwdriver handle, Jay is going to show you how to remove the top cover by loosening 2 set screws up underneath this boiler pan. We need to remove the set screws because we want to make it somewhat difficult for the homeowner to be able to access the inside of this boiler. So now we can remove the cover, set that down out of place, and now we see half of our premix burner assembly. We can access certain components now. We can actually get to a ignition ionization electrode, an ionization electrode, also a number 3 boiler water temperature sensor. But to remove the burner assembly to access the heat exchanger for service, we need to lower the control console. So there's 2 red hinges here that we flip down. Control console comes out, slides down out of place. And then there's 2 nuts here that we remove for this panel to be removed. And then we want to reinstall the nuts on those studs so we don't drop them and lose them down the floor drain. Now we have full access to remove our negative pressure gas valve, variable speed fan, premix burner assembly. So we have Molex plugs that only plug into one place. We can go ahead and unplug those. We can plug them from our transformer, from our gas valve, and from our variable speed fan. And then we'll remove the corrugated gas line from the gas valve, of course after shutting the gas off, which we've already done. Then with our Vitodens kit, we'll replace that Phillips bit with a torx bit, and we're going to remove 6 torx screws from the heat exchanger. This heat exchanger takes minutes to access. Unlike competitors, it takes a lot of time to access a heat exchanger. With a Viessmann product, very quick. The good thing is no matter what model Vitodens you're working on, a B2HA, a B2B, a B2A, the heat exchangers all remove the same way. They're all just as easy to get into. So we want to make it easy so the contractor can actually access and clean, if needed, the heat exchanger every year, and gap and clean the ionization electrode and the ignition electrodes, and check a burner gasket as well. So this video is going to be just removal of this burner to access the heat exchanger. Subsequent videos will show you how to clean the heat exchanger and service the burner for maintenance. So now Jay removes that burner assembly. There's also 1 Molex plug on the back side of that fan. We want to make sure we remove that. And now we can access fully our premix variable speed fan, negative pressure gas valve burner assembly. Okay, we're going to set that out of the way. And now you can see full access to this inox radial heat exchanger. Okay, in the next video we're going to show you how to clean this heat exchanger. If we have to wash it, we're going to show you how to remove the refractory, what materials to use to clean it, and the cleaning procedure of the heat exchanger.